Hello everyone, welcome to Rosy Joy and thank you for watching. If you are new, welcome and thank you for being here. And for today's video, I'm gonna take you along with me into my toddler bathroom. I'm going to be cleaning her bath and all of the areas in her bathroom, and I'm going to be decorating as well a little bit of her bathroom with some leftover decor that I still have. And I thought that I can maybe make her bathroom festive like the rest of the house, and why not? And maybe can be a good inspiration for you. If you still have some leftover decor and you don't know what to do, you can be creative. You don't even have to go to the store and spend money into getting new decors and stuff like that. Maybe the leftovers that you have, you can just be creative like I'm going to try to do today. And I hope you like and enjoy to watch this video, and if you do, like and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. This is gonna help a lot my channel. And for now, let's get started with this bathroom. I'm gonna be showing you the before, and then we're gonna see the final result. Come along with me and let's get started. And this is how the bathroom looks right now. I'm going to be changing here this decor, and I would like to organize a little bit inside of this shelf. We're going to be doing some decor here and there, and let's get started.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. 'Cause we shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We should doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what